Tiny world, tiny world, tiny world, tiny.
There are 7 days in a week, each with its own unique name that repeats itself in a cyclical manner. Monday, Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday.
Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icons for more videos.